Ask a Biologist is a website where parents, students, teachers, and educators can learn about how to teach and promote science education. Ask a Biologist is hosted by Arizona State University. On this website, students can enjoy activities, read stories, listen to podcasts, solve puzzles, take virtual reality tours, and get up close and personal with biology. They have been featured in many news articles and videos. They have also won numerous awards for the effort that they have done in educating about science and STEM education. In the Teacher Toolbox, you can find information for educators. You can find the visitors' favorites, what visitors to the site like to play or do, the editor's picks, and then the new and cool stuff that they have. I really enjoy on this side how they have little tidbits on asking a biologist our little news. What's really nice is you can also pick the education level and what type of thing that you want to do. So if you want to do pre-K, and then you want to find an activity or games for pre-K students, hit games. We can say it requires a computer and we can search from right there. And it'll come up with all the activities. Whoop, or no activities. We'll see what else we have. So, upper elementary. And it'll come up with activities for them. In our activities section, they have loads of activities for online play, coloring pages, experiments that you can do in the classroom or in an educational environment. The Bird Finder tool can help you identify birds in the backyard, and then the Body Depot, where you can learn about the body's biology. In the stories section, you'll find out about biologists. There's a podcast where you can listen to their stories and their careers. Down in the images section, you can take a virtual reality tour of the desert, tropical rainforest, temperate rainforests, watch animals, and plenty more. If you go back, you can to the Zoom gallery. You can get up close and personal with insects and feathers. Insects, feathers, and pollen. This website also provides plenty of educational resources and links to biology topics. You can learn more about animals' anatomy, blood types, extremophiles, generic topics, humans, pets. Learn more about biologists and their careers. Learn more about cells, and so on and so forth. There is a ton of information out there and so much to learn here on this website. Enjoy. I hope you're able to use this within your library.